Izabela Kosmowska, and I'm going to show you how I would like to do my Caesar salad with tahini. We have organic fair trade tahini, and I'm going to use some garlic, some lime, and a little bit of water with pinch of salt, sea salt, peppers, and olive oil. So we prepared the romaine lettuce already with some onions and some carrots. I like to scrape, if you have a nice organic lemon or lime, scrape some of the skin, because the skin is very good for you, okay, with a little scraper tool, which I really like. Cut this in half, right? I will do the tahini dressing. So I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of tahini. You can get this anywhere in a health store. Maybe 3 teaspoons. Let's do 3. Alright. I don't like to waste anything, so it drives me crazy, but pinch of salt, pinch of sea salt. I have a little bit of olive oil and filtered water. A little bit of filtered water, because tahini with a little bit squeeze of lime. Tahini gets really thick, so you want to loosen up that my little old-fashioned brown tool, which is really great. And just see the thickness of the, if it's too thick, add just a bit of water. Oh, maybe I put it in here. And much nicer. See? It's become much more liquidy. Want the garlic to really be chopped, and do a little taste. Delicious. And actually a lot of garlic. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. See, you gotta taste stuff. If you make something first time, start tasting. Don't be scared. Like, we like garlic, we like spice. So for us, that's very nice. But if something doesn't work, and this is your very fast, a little different, creamy dressing, very healthy. Tahini is very good for you. You don't have to eat it often. Everything is natural. And then I will finish with the sunflower seeds, right? So just put a pinch. So you're making your own Caesar salad with your own kind of twist. Enjoy.